So it looks like we have 3 different sets here. Parker, do not mess this up. I nailed that. That was nailed. That was money. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today is going to be a pretty fun one. We are going to be taking my 1,000 horsepower car and going and throwing probably another 500 horsepower on it, like that. Now to do this, it's pretty simple. I need to remove the ricer mod that the previous owner of this car added and replace it with my own, well, what most of you would probably consider another ricer mod. If we get inside right here, I can show you it's pretty obvious right here that all of the carbon fiber inside of this car, well, most of it is fake. You can literally see it peeling right here. This is a sticker. Like, I'm pretty sure it's the same brand that makes like the tape that goes on a bat, like grip, like lizard skin, if you know what that is. I'm pretty sure that the previous owner just put that everywhere. Now, there is some real carbon fiber, like right there. Right up here, we have it in weird spots you don't even need it, like the speaker or where you adjust the seat, like what? But we are going to be taking all of that off that the previous owner did and replacing it with the Dyna Performance full interior set. I'm pretty sure we got everything there is. I did partner with them to get a new steering wheel because this one is quite literally disintegrating. It was Alcantara, and now every time you drive it, you'll literally get like black flakes all over your hands. But they surprised me, and I randomly got that shipment yesterday of just all the interior carbon fiber pieces. Shout out to Dyna Performance. I was not expecting that at all, but I am very excited to change the look of this very obviously fake carbon fiber to the real deal. Before we go ahead and rip everything apart, let's open this up and see what all we have. So it looks like we have 3 different sets here. That is definitely the center where the screen is. That you can see from cup holders right there, and the shifter right here. This is like the center console area. And then this is up on the actual dash. You can see that is where the 3 AC vents are. Well, right here we have it boost gauge. Pretty sure that's a door, not really sure. And I don't even know where that is, but we'll figure it out. And huge shout out to Dyna Performance. I was not expecting this at all. I saw that I had a shipment from them and I was like, that does not look like a steering wheel. Well, I appreciate the surprise, and we're gonna go and completely change the interior of this car. The garage is honestly a little too dark, so I think I'm gonna pull it out so that we have some more light to work with. This isn't gonna be a cold start, but it is gonna sound good. If you guys don't know who I am or what this car is, this has a hellhorse twin turbo kit on there. We have twin 62s. We have a built trans from Certified Performance that holds 1,300 horsepower. We are still on the stock motor, but we'll get there one day. If you listen real close, you may be able to hear those turbos. Oh yeah. All right, let's pull her out. In the afternoon, not early in the morning. I got a bunch of old people that live in here. So I'm just gonna pull into our little clubhouse here. I'll have my empty-ish parking lot, but people won't be pulling in or out, interrupting me. Like I said, first step, we are gonna rip all of this off. I don't know how long that's gonna take. Hopefully not too long. It seems to be coming off pretty easily. Well, this is easy. Oh, this is a lot easier than I thought. Like I said, this was on the car when I got it, so I've never seen the OEM dash, and it just looks so weird. It doesn't look like it fits. Where else are you seeing this color? Like, what? Oh yeah, you know, I really want to know what went through his head. Like, oh yeah, this sticker will look real good. Like, dude, this looks fake. It looks so fake. Nice, that was a big one. Seems like this is gonna be a little bit easier than I anticipated. So I went ahead and I got this piece out. Looks like we are going to install this part and this part. And I'm guessing these are those little spots right by the bottom of the door. Per the instructions, I'm supposed to use this little primer thing. So that's what I'm doing. I think it's gonna help with the adhesion process. Parker, do not mess this up. It is gonna stick and stay wherever I put it. So let's have everything lined up perfectly before we lay it down. Oh, that is sticky. Jesus.
Okay, so I need to be really careful because once it's on there, it is on there. Oh, now I'm really scared. I'm really scared now. Okay. We will lightly lay this on. We're just light right now. Not pressing hard or anything, because if I want to pull it back up, I nailed that. That was nailed. That was money. So it should be the same deal over here. Make sure that everything looks right, fits right. And it does. Dude, I'm scared. Once you peel the back off, there's no going back. And I really like the way it looks. It looks 100 times better. But if I mess it up, like, I'm screwed. It's gonna be silver. Look at that peel. ASMR right there. Okay. Parker, do not mess this up. Do not mess this up. Okay. For real this time. That was just a mock-up. Okay. Oh no. I messed up. Pull off. Please pull off. I'm sorry. I messed up. Let me try one more time. Please. Damn. Okay. Let me give it another shot. That was practice. I don't want to do that over and over again though, because this glue is super strong. I'm sweating. This is terrifying, man. So it's been like maybe 5-10 minutes and we've already got this entire side done. Looks so much better than this crappy, sticker. So now that we have the full dash done on the right side, I have this piece that I said I didn't know where it went, but it looks to be right here. Kind of follow this line along. Oh, that's money. That's money, baby. Look at that. That's perfect. Well, that concludes the initial set. So they have different sets. This was the dash set and it got everything. Dude, it looks so much better. You can see the difference again right here and right here. The difference in quality, just so nuts. Next, I think I'm gonna move on to this section. So I'm gonna peel off all the old stuff and again, throw on the new one. To be honest with you, after finishing this top part, I'm not as nervous anymore. This piece seems pretty straightforward. What I am nervous for is for the big piece in the center. That scares me. Get our peel in. Nice. Okay. It's a big piece right here. Let's get this perfect. Dude, that was money. That fit literally perfectly. That was awesome. And it looks so good. Oh my goodness. With this section completely done, dude, it looks so different. This just has such a different finish to it. It looks so much more authentic. If you look at the entire dash, dude, it completely transformed. The final piece, like I said, straightforward. Obviously, cup holders are right there. That's where our shifter goes. So let's just throw it on there. So I went ahead and just kind of threw it over. And again, looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but let's just get it done. All right, there's no going back now. Let's just get it done. It'll look good, Parker. Trust yourself. Trust yourself. It'll look good. Oh my Lord, he nails it. And he nails it. That could not have gone more perfect. This is the last piece and then we will be done. Everything has gone perfect. Let's just finish it up strong. Ladies and gentlemen, he nails it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, dude. Look at this. 10 times better. 10 times better. Look at it. Oh my Lord. Full transformation, dude. Oh my goodness. And it looks so good. So much better. Now I should probably wash the interior so it stops being all dusty and crusty.
That is gonna do it for today's install. It was probably the easiest thing that I've ever done. Shout out to Dyna Performance for sending that to me. Completely changed the interior. I wasn't even looking into the product, and then when it showed up, I didn't even know that I needed it, but it did make a huge difference. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I do have a surprise. We have a GT350 bumper on the way. Should get here tomorrow for the car. It is gonna look nuts. I do like that look of the no bumper. It does look super aggressive, but I wanna cover up the intercooler. I don't want it to get damaged. So tomorrow I should get that bumper in. I'll get it painted, and then we'll throw that on, and the car should be pretty much complete. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think of the new interior. I absolutely love it. Changes this car has had lately is insane. Twin turbo kit, built trans. We have a drive shaft on the way, new bumper, new headlights, new interior. We're getting a steering wheel. Dude, there's just so much going on. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to stay up to date with the build. And that is going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Should be easy. If I mess up, it's not that noticeable. Looking good. So no, we're not. Take it off, Parker. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. I messed that one up bad.